Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will have a look at IGMS IGM Biosciences Incorporated, traded at NASDAQ. IGMS is showing very nice upwards trend, and the trend actually continues. Today we see the end of previous wave that started at about 15 June, and if you look carefully, the wave is ending today, so we're expecting the beginning of the new wave. To understand better why is it so, let's first have a look at general stats for the stock. So here we have three lines presented. It's moving average 20, moving average 50, and moving average 200, being green, blue, and red lines. Here on the left they are depicted. Their legends. So actually this stock is showing a trend so-called 20, 50, 200, quite a long time. This is actually when the moving averages are allocated in a way that moving average 20 is on the top, then 50 is in the middle, and 200 is on the bottom. And this continues as all three lines going straight upwards. This is usually very strong and very good parameter for big companies, growing steady and slow, steady, and stable, meaning that if you're a long-term player, you can buy it actually at any moment and keep it just 1 year and sell it later. You will have some profit. But if you are like mid-term or short-term trader, you need to catch the waves. And here you see several waves actually. The first one wave started at about let's say 14 June. It was reconfirmed here. Then another wave actually started at about 18 May. Etc., etc. So there are several trends. Let's draw them first. So there is this one trend, very strong one. It's faster. Then there was a slower trend actually here after the COVID story. So now we really can notice slight acceleration of the trends. So what happened actually when we have this big down wave due to COVID, it's 17 of May, this dark, 16, 17 dark days, 7 March. The price recovered, then it made this small wave, and then the trend started. So at about 24th of March, it made this very big wave, which without finishing at about the beginning of May, start another wave here, you can see. And then it used this line, trend 1 line, then this trend 1 line slowly confirmed to a faster line, this trend 2 line, and this continues now. So today we see that this line coincided also with moving average 20, which is the green line as well. So it's kind of a double support these days. It's testing, so it's already a buy call. We bought it. We usually buy these kind of stocks, and it's advice from us that the another wave will continue. Still some volatility is possible, especially given that tomorrow is Friday trading, so it will be like reconfirmation of the support here, this line. So you can still buy and then wait, and another wave should then go. And usually if you look the average amplitudes of the waves, they are like taking usually about let's say from 5 to 6 to $8. So another wave should then be something like that and stop somewhere here. Then we will see if it will be reconfirmed or what would happen. Also, it's important to notice that first derivatives of moving averages 20 and 50 are positive, and also second derivatives are positive, meaning like it's not just going upwards, but it's going upwards with acceleration. So it's kind of this behavior for moving average 50, and similar kind of this behavior for moving average 20, which is very positive. Also, if you look at the RSI index, in this case it's actually volatile in the middle, which is always good, because it means for this 20, 50, 200 stocks, if the RSI is volatile in the middle, it means that there is still a lot of fuel to grow higher. Once we grow to oversold situation, like it was, for example, at February 24th, or it was like March 8th, this means that the wave is really not only ending the wave, but also the fuel is ending actually for bulls, and it could be some strong retrace, as indeed we saw here, for example, at February 24th. You can say, okay, March example is not really classic indeed, because it was also COVID involved situation, so the down wave was accelerated due to COVID. If not COVID, probably it would stop at about moving average 20 here, or a little bit lower, and then the trend will continue. But still, if you take out imaginarily this box due to COVID situation, general trends are confirmed. So really we see this long-term trend going like that actually, which also good, meaning that the company has recovered from the COVID and continue. So this, let's say, imaginarily non-COVID trend coincides now somehow with the T1 and T2, meaning that companies not only recovering but even showing some slight acceleration, which is very positive. Also, if you look at MACD, Divergence Convergence Index, it's also making these very small amplitude waves, which are good for upwards trending with this kind of bouncing behavior. And now it's slightly negative, also confirming, not strongly, but still a good indication that we are about to start a new wave here. So this is IGSM for us call to buy. Still some piercing might happen, if any, and then moving average 50 will work as another support, so then it will be this line. Therefore, we just say it like box 2, as usually in Audi Notions, and we are already in box on line 1. So this is box 2 situation, and we are already in situation 1 where you can buy. So that was it for IGMS. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.